Main parts of a personal computer. Personal computers, or PCs, are composed of a number of physical components, known as the computer's hardware. These components include the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, a range of input and output devices, two main types of memory, and storage devices. Let's take a look at each of these. The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is the part of the computer that performs calculations and carries out instructions. It is sometimes called the processor and is a silicon chip located inside the system unit. It acts like a tiny fast calculator, processing information that flows into it, or input, and generating and forwarding information, or output. A peripheral device is any device you can add to and use on your computer. These devices can be either input or output peripherals. To put information into your PC, you need an input device. The keyboard and the mouse are the two most common input devices. Computer systems can have many different output devices, each converting data into a readable form. The two most common output devices are monitors and printers. Memory is the place in the computer that temporarily stores information while it is being processed. The two main types of memory are random access memory, or RAM, and read-only memory, or ROM. RAM is used to store temporary data. It contains all new data entered since you last saved your work. RAM changes constantly, and its contents are lost when the computer is switched off. The contents of ROM are secured during manufacture and are permanent. For example, ROM stores data containing the instructions needed to get the computer working properly as soon as it is switched on. Virtually all computers have a hard disk. Once a computer is finished processing information, that information must be stored somewhere permanently. The hard disk is a computer's long-term storage device. Information stored on the hard disk remains there even when the computer is switched off. There is a range of removable storage devices available, including diskettes or floppy disks, zip disks, CDs, DVDs, and removable cartridges or digital tapes.